Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the Copycat Starbucks Double Berry Matcha, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by making the strawberry puree. In a large saucepan, add 2 cups of sliced strawberries, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white sugar, and the juice from half a lemon. Mix everything together and then bring it to a boil. Next, reduce the sauce to a simmer and let it cook for 10 minutes. Once the strawberry sauce is finished cooking, pour it into a blender. Then blend until smooth. Next, pour the strawberry puree through a strainer into a measuring cup. Once you finish draining the strawberry puree, mix in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla bean paste. Then let the strawberry puree completely cool, and once it has cooled, pour it into a container. Then place the puree in the refrigerator until you're ready to use it. Now that we've finished preparing the strawberry puree, we can make the matcha. First, in a cup, add 1 tablespoon of vanilla syrup. Then add 1 1/4 cup of milk. You can use whatever milk you want. I like using oat milk. At Starbucks, they'll use the Starbucks cup to measure how much milk they need, and the amount of milk you need for a grande is 1 1/4 cup. Next, pour the milk into a blender. Then add 2 teaspoons of matcha powder and 1 cup of ice. Then blend everything together on low. Once everything is mixed together, we can make the cold foam for the matcha. Next, we're going to make the berry sweet cream cold foam. In a measuring cup, add 100 milliliters of Starbucks vanilla sweet cream. Then add 1 tablespoon of raspberry syrup. Next, use a milk frother to mix everything together and whip the cream until it becomes thick and foamy. When you're finished, you can assemble your matcha. First, pour a 1/4 cup of strawberry puree into a cup. Then add the matcha you prepared before. Finally, add the berry sweet cream cold foam on top. Place the lid on the cup and you're all done. And this is the finished result. The Starbucks Double Berry Matcha is so good, and now I can make it whenever I want, and so can you! I made this matcha the Starbucks way, but now I'm going to make the drink by preparing the matcha the traditional way. To make the matcha, I'm going to use this matcha whisk set. First, place 2 teaspoons of matcha powder in a sifter and sift it into the bowl. After sifting the matcha powder, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of hot water. Then use the whisk to mix the matcha powder and water together until you create a smooth paste. This ensures that the matcha isn't lumpy and will blend smoothly when you add the rest of the water, resulting in a silkier, creamier matcha with 0 graininess. Next, add a 1/4 cup of hot water. Then whisk in a zigzag motion for 1 to 2 minutes until the matcha is frothy. When you're finished whisking, the matcha should have a soft foam at the top. If your matcha looks like this, you're all done. Now set it to the side. Next, I'm going to make some homemade sweet cream cold foam. In a measuring cup, add 3 tablespoons of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla syrup, and 1 tablespoon of raspberry or blueberry syrup. Next, use a milk frother to mix everything together and whip the cream until it becomes thick and foamy. When you're finished, set the berry sweet cream cold foam to the side. Now that everything has been prepared, we can finally make the drink. In a cup, add 1 tablespoon of vanilla syrup, 1 cup of ice, 1 1/4 cup of milk, and the matcha we prepared before. Then mix everything together until well combined. In another cup, add 1/4 cup of strawberry puree, then pour the matcha into the cup, and finally add the sweet cream cold foam on top. This part's optional, but I added some fruit on top for decoration. And this is the finished result. Both versions of the drink are so good, and I definitely recommend giving it a try. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make more Starbucks drinks. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!